Hi, I'm Professor D.K. Panda from the Ohio State University. Together with my colleague Dr. Hari Subramani, we have an exciting tutorial for you at the Supercomputing 2021. The title of this tutorial is Introduction to Networking Technologies for High Performance Computing. As many of you know, we are in an exciting phase heading into Exascale. Systems like Summit, Sierra, even Sunway Ivy Light, these systems have been deployed in the past and more newer systems are coming up. If you take a look at these systems are scaling rapidly. They're also being driven by many cores and high performance interconnects like InfiniBand, Omni-Path, Slingshot, and high performance Ethernet. Now, not only these clusters are only available for computation, but these days the clusters are also being used for storage, clusters are being used also for multi-tier data centers. And in some organizations, even these systems are being put together to design high-end computing environments. So in this context, the role of high-performance networks becomes very important, and that affects design, deployment of these kind of systems in future. So in this context, you may have a lot of questions like how to build a balanced HPC system using high-performance networks. What are the major bottlenecks in traditional computing systems? Why InfiniBand, Slingshot, Omni-Path, and high-speed Ethernet? What are their architectures? How do the communication stacks look like for InfiniBand, Slingshot, Omni-Path, and high-speed Ethernet? What are the protocols leading to convergence? And we have heard about all these different networking technologies. What are their communication semantics, novel features, and network management? And especially with NVIDIA also deploys NVLink, NVSwitch architecture and topology. So what exactly are those technologies? And you might have also heard of libfabrics. How is it going to help libfabrics for designing and deploying next generation systems? And especially the high-speed Ethernet architectures, what are the components, novel features, and products. So with all these questions, we have actually a very comprehensive tutorial to walk you through all the different networks and protocols, as you can see, like coming from the Ethernet side, gradually going through all the different protocols, even looking at the native InfiniBand and also the Omni-Path switch. So this tutorial will focus a lot of details and try to expose you to all the latest and greatest networking technologies and protocols. This is the outline of the tutorial. We'll be starting with a very high-level introduction, going over InfiniBand and high-speed Ethernet, their features. We'll be talking about Omni-Path. We'll also be talking about NVLink and NVSwitch architecture. We'll also be taking a look at the Amazon EFA adapter, which is being used in the Amazon AWS cloud. We'll take a look at the Slingshot architecture and Fujitsu Tofu interconnect architecture, which is being used in the #1 system called Fugaku. And after we understand all these things, we will also be taking a very quick look at all the different networking, commodity networking technologies, their products and installations. We'll take a look at some sample case studies and performance numbers. And we also have a set of hands-on exercises for you. So we'll try to provide you a good understanding about the impact of advanced networks and performance of applications running on HPC clusters. We'll expose you through hands-on exercises, a set of benchmarks, how do you actually measure latency, bandwidth, how do you evaluate MPI performance, and many more. So with this, I'd like to encourage you to attend our tutorial. If you'd like to learn more, the tutorial will be offered on Sunday, 14th November 2021 from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. CST. And here is the link to get more details on the tutorial. And we are looking forward to seeing you at this tutorial. Thank you.